I'm using this color, and with this I'm using 3.5 mm crochet, which is 6 number crochet. Okay, we will start to make a slip knot, or you can start like this also. Make 6 chains, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and 1 2 3 4. In 4th chain make 1 double crochet, second double crochet, and in last 3rd double crochet. Now we have 3 chains and 3 double crochet. Now make 6 chains more, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and again do the same, 1 2 3 4. In 4th chain make 1 double crochet, second double crochet in 5th chain, 3rd double crochet in 6th chain. Okay, now after that we have to turn like this our pattern. Have you seen? We have to turn like this. Now we will, from this 3 chain space, make a slip stitch like this. Now we will make 3 chains, 1 2 3, and 3 double crochet in the same space. 1 2 and 3. After that we will make again 6 chains, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Again 1 2 3 4. In 4th chain 1 double crochet, second double crochet in 5th chain, and 3rd last double crochet in last or 6th chain. After that we will again turn like this, and in this 3 chain space we'll make a slip stitch like this. And now chain 3 and 3 double crochet in the same space, 1 2 and 3. After that this 3 chain space will make a slip stitch. Now again 3 chains, 3 more double crochet in the same space, 1 2 3. Now it's time to make 6 chains, 5 4 5 6, and in 4th 1 2 3 4th. In 4th 1 double crochet, in 5th second double crochet, in 6th 3rd double crochet. Turn over. In this 3 chain space we'll make a slip stitch, chain 3 3 double crochet, again 3 chain space, a slip stitch, and 3 chains, 3 chains, 3 double crochet in the same space, 1 2 3, and into the 3 chain space we will make slip stitch. Now 1 2 3 and 3 more double crochet in the same space. This is increasing. Now I will tell you the decreasing in this round. Make 3 chains. One. After 3 chains, turn over and into 3 chain space we'll make slip stitch and make 3 chains, 3 double crochet, and slip stitch in the next 3 chain space. 1 2 3, 2 and 3. In 3 chain space, a slip stitch. 1 2 3, and last is slip stitch. Now 3 chains, turn over and a slip stitch into 3 chain space. Chain 3, 3 double crochet in the same space, and slip stitch in next 3 chain space. Chain 3, 3 double crochet in the same space. And next a slip stitch, turn over, a slip stitch and chain 3, three double crochet in the same space, and last next 3 chain space, a slip stitch, chain 3, and in last a slip stitch, last a chain. Now this has been completed. This will look like this. A proper square corner to corner is ready. Okay, now I'm telling you how can we add a second color, or how can we change the color from now. Okay, I will take the second color, increasing or decreasing both. Chain 1, 1 2 3 4 5 6 chains, into 4 chain make 1 double crochet, second double crochet and third double crochet, turn over, and next 3 chain space a slip stitch like this. Chain 3, we will do the same round with chain 3, 3 double crochet and a 1 slip stitch into next 3 double crochet, a slip stitch into 3 chain space, again 3 chains, 3 double crochet, and next a slip stitch. 1 2 3 3 double crochet in the same space. Okay, this was increasing, and now I will tell you the decreasing with second color. Chain 3, with the same procedure we will decrease, and 3 double crochet. If you want to add second color during decreasing, then you will start second color from this chain. You will start from this chain. You will add second color here, and you will start your pattern like this: 3 chains and 3 double crochet, or join with a slip stitch like this. I hope you like this video, so please like my video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe my channel for more designs and patterns and videos. So please keep watching. Thank you.